How to shop in store with Klarna is a straightforward process that allows you to pay for your purchases in a flexible and convenient manner. To start, ensure that the store you are shopping at accepts Klarna as a payment method. You can do this by looking for the Klarna logo at the store entrance or by asking a sales associate. Once you have found the items you want to purchase, proceed to the checkout counter. Let the sales associate know that you would like to pay with Klarna. They will then ring up your purchases and provide you with a total amount due. Next, open the Klarna app on your mobile device and select the Pay in Store option. You will be prompted to enter the amount due in the store's name. Enter the information accurately and click Continue. You will then be presented with the payment options available to you, such as Pay in 4 or Pay in 30. Choose the option that best suits your needs and click Confirm. You will then receive a unique QR code that you will need to show to the sales associate. The sales associate will scan the QR code and verify the payment. Once the payment has been verified, you will receive a confirmation message and the sales associate will provide you with your receipt. It is essential to note that when shopping in store with Klarna, you will need to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees. You can view your payment schedule and make payments directly through the Klarna app. To get the most out of shopping in store with Klarna, make sure to always review the terms and conditions of your payment plan before confirming your purchase. Additionally, keep track of your payments and make timely payments to avoid any negative impact on your credit score. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy a seamless and flexible shopping experience with Klarna. Remember to always shop responsibly and within your means, and take advantage of the flexibility that Klarna offers to make your shopping experience more enjoyable and stress-free.